Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. And if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, there's a message circulating social media. And of course, we know law enforcement is supposed to already start to look into the information being shared in that message. Now, the screenshot reads, got this message a few minutes ago. Medikk will be found near or in a body of water. No disrespect. The person then says, how you know that? SMH. The sender then states, I can't explain, but just note it. I don't do public in those circumstances, but I was led to share. The person says, whoa, did you see her or something? Okay, SMH. The person states, I was on your live. I don't know you or her, and that the person is in the States. And with other messages circulating social media stating that cheating allegations, with some saying that she had a lover who believed that she was cheating. Now, at this point, this is all speculations, but this information is also in the hands of law enforcement. So hopefully after law enforcement continue them investigations, hopefully the artist can return home to her family. Now, political analyst Andre Stevens spoke to the mother of Jerneel, who is also somebody that has gone missing. Let me continue Wagwan, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
I am here. I am here.
What is happening with your daughter?
All right. So on the 26th of August, I would have received a call from her father, Jermaine Bridget. This would have been at about 11:50 in the night, saying that he was told by her relatives who she stays with in Dux's Point Hill, St. Catherine, that she left the house on Saturday morning, saying that she was going to buy some stuff in Spanish Town. But she did not return. He told me that sometime, I think he said after 6 or 7 in the night, she called him to say that she was not going home. She was going to be staying with her friend in Spanish Town.
Wow.
He told me that he told her to send the information for the friend's address and a photo of the friend so that he can know where she is, so that he would send somebody to pick her up when she is ready in the morning. However, she did not send an address. She sent him a photo. The photo that he forwarded to me is not a photograph of any female that we know to be friend of Jerneel. So she did not go home on Saturday. I have called her multiple times, sent multiple messages. She has not responded to any of my calls. The WhatsApp messages that I sent to her, all of them were read, but no response.
I want to ask you, is this the first time your daughter is sleeping out?
This is the very first time. She's 19 years old and she has never gone anywhere by herself to sleep out with any friend, ever.
And when she said this to you, it never raised an alarm?
She didn't say it to me, Mr. Stevens. I'm not in Jamaica. Her father is also not in Jamaica. She would have called her father after telling the relatives that she's going to buy stuff in Spanish Town. The father told me that she called him to say that she was going to be staying with a friend in Spanish Town. My question to him was if he is aware of Jerneel having any friend in Spanish Town, because I don't know of Jerneel having any friends living in Spanish Town that Jerneel can just get up and say she's going to sleep with this friend, and she did not provide a name or an address. So this is unlike anything that Journey would have done before.
So what was the name of this friend that she said she was going to stay by?
She did not give her father the name of any friend.
So she just give a picture.
All of this information, she sent him. He said that she sent him a photograph. He said he asked for an address and a photograph. She sent him a photograph but no address. So there was no name provided, no address provided, nothing.
Just a random photograph.
Just a random photograph.
And this was on August 26th.
This is, yes, Saturday, August 26th.
So what happened after August 26th?
All right. The father would have told me that she texted him Sunday to say that she was sorry for not sending the address. She fell asleep. She was tired. He also confirmed that he spoke with her via WhatsApp message on Monday. However, from my end, she did not respond to any of my calls or any messages from me. On Tuesday, though, no one could say that they heard anything from her or she responded to any message at all. My son would have also confirmed, that her younger brother confirmed, that she sent him a WhatsApp message on Sunday and also on Monday. But from Tuesday, no one has heard anything from her. So
what was the WhatsApp message you sent to your son?
My son was asking her to come by the house because my son is staying with my mother. Journey is in Doxy, so there are two small districts within the community of Point Hill. So he was telling her to come to the house on the 7th of September. So they would have had that conversation on Sunday.
Can you send me the photograph?
Hold on a moment. Let me retrieve it. Mr. Stephen.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Steve, the thing that is bothering me while I try to get the photograph. I have a family member that contacted some of her cousins, and we have been getting conflicting information. One person saying that somebody called her to say that Journey was in Mobe.
Montego Bay.
Montego Bay. That one cousin gave Journey a number for some boy that came to a dance. However, they told us that the boy that Journey got the number for was living in Topil. That's another little district within St. Catherine. We asked the police to visit the address. Journey was not there. But about a month ago, they had a dance in Doxy's Point Hill. That's her relatives.
The people are also saying that former manager of Medikk stated that there was some video of what took place. And people are saying that, why hasn't the video been shared? Why haven't we seen the video on social media? Well, maybe law enforcement has the video, and they are using it in their investigations. And also the information about she having a jealous boyfriend. Of course, law enforcement are going to look into that. Normally when a situation happens with a person, they now want to talk to the people them close to them, family, and of course their spouse or boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever the situation is. So of course, with that information circulating in social media, I'm going to talk to him, with some stating that because law enforcement has not confirmed this with any statement, some say maybe there is no truth to this. Of course, Martin continue to send some strength to the family of Journey from there ask for any information that the public has. And if you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion in the comment section 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.